What's up, beauty? So today I will be bleaching these two lace closures. This is a very super easy tutorial. So the items you're going to be needing is a mixing bowl, a mixing brush, some gloves, some wallpaper, the bleach, and the powder of your choice, as well as some shimmering light shampoo to remove any type of brassiness. Now, I already have an initial unboxing video where these lace closures come from, as well as the inches. So if you didn't see that video, I'm going to link it up top in the cards, as well as down below in the description box. So when you're done watching this video, you guys can head over and watch the unboxing video. So I'm just going to take my bleaching powder. I've done this so many times. I pretty much have the measurements on top of my head, but the measurements that I'm using should be good enough for two closures. You just want to make sure you're in a well ventilated area. I'm trying to move really fast with this because the area that I'm in, my apartment, don't have no window by it. So I'm just going to take 3 scoops of powder. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I like to make sure my consistency is very thick. I don't want a runny consistency because when it's runny, it's going to seep onto the hair and we do not want that. If your consistency is runny or you just happen to bleach the hairs on the closure, you can either take a natural color Sharpie and fill in the pieces that are blonde, or you could just go ahead and take a spoolie, dip it in some permanent hair color that match the color of your closure, and you could just brush it on the blonde pieces. So those are my 2 little tips. I am going to take 7 caps of the 30 developer. Everything. That is something that you don't want to happen. So yeah, so I'm gonna just mix everything, make sure everything is smooth as possible, that there's no lumps, no bumps, and make sure everything is smooth. Y'all want to take your time and do this. Don't be like me. And plus, y'all, I don't got my glasses on. Okay, so I'm done mixing. And this is the consistency. As y'all can see, it's very thick. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this. And I'm going to just pat it on. If you are a newbie, you just want to take your time. Me, I do a mixture of pats and dragging because I do this so much. So I'm done with that. Take my foil paper and I am just going to cover it and let that sit for 30 minutes. So this is the final outcome of how the closures turned out. I was expecting the closures to, bleach a little bit more. As you guys can see, you do still see some knots still on the closure, but it's not too bad. It's very workable. Normally when I bleach my closures on my lace frontal wigs, I always go in with a 30 or 40 developer, and I have no issues with the knots bleaching. But you ladies do have to keep in mind that every hair company take bleach differently, and in this situation that was the case. But I did not want to go and do another double bleaching because I didn't want to mess up the closure or even over process it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed.